Hello everyone, welcome to yet another important video. If you are looking to become a Power BI developer in 2025, whether you are a new beginner or you are someone who is trying to transition into Power BI, then this video is for you. We will talk about step-by-step guide on how to get job as a Power BI developer. So let us get started without wasting much time. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, so the first thing that we need to do is let us try to understand what does a Power BI developer do. Okay, so first thing, he is responsible for creating dashboards. Obviously, whether it is Tableau or Power BI, his primary role is to create a dashboard. Apart from that, he is also responsible for creating data transformations, using DAX. Like say we use, Power Query and DAX for calculations. So this is just a list. Next is connecting to different data sources to fetch the data. This is something that is required. We need to be aware of how we can connect and all. Next is performance optimization. Many times BI developers are responsible for optimizing their existing dashboards, or whether you are creating new dashboard also you need to check whether the dashboards that you are creating are performing well or not. So that's why the performance of your dashboard is very important. Next is collaboration. So oftentimes we might have to work with multiple teams to get our job done. Maybe it can be with your clients, it can be with your managers, it can be with your DB team, or there can be multiple teams that are involved in getting your data into your plate. So sometimes if that is not working, we might have to collaborate with them to find out the root cause. So for that, collaboration or communicating with different teams is an essential part of a Tableau develop our BA developer. Okay, so next is, let us try to understand what are the different roles we can look for uh, Power BI. Okay, roles in Power BI I'm writing. So first thing is, obviously when you go to LinkedIn, you can search with Power BI developer role. This is something that is very common, and this is something that we always search for. Again, business analyst is again a broader term that can be used to search for the openings related to reporting skills. Okay, you will see this skills being mentioned in that. And then we have data analyst. Again, data analyst is a broader term. We can always search with the specific keywords if at all we are looking, or we can also search with this type of words to get jobs related to our skills. Okay, next is data engineer role. So if I speak, Power BI is a dedicated one. Like, so business analyst is again a little broader term. Data analyst is someone who works with Power BI, SQL, and Excel, and also we call them as data analyst. So in this, data analyst is a little lower term that we generally use. Like say the work of the analyst might be mostly related or with Excel, but any other skill that you take, they will be using dedicated tools like say your SQL Server and all. So next is BI consultant. Okay, so these are the five types of roles or jobs we can aspire for in 2025. Now let us see what are the skills that employees are looking. Skills that employees are looking in 2025. Okay, So first thing is obviously your Power BI basic concepts are very important. I'm writing it as Power BI core concepts that include your dashboard creation capabilities. Okay, your visuals like type of charts you are creating, your slices that you are implementing in the dashboard, and filters that you are creating for your dashboard. This shows how or what type of interactivity you are created or you have created on the dashboard. Next is don't forget to excel on DAX, because this is one of the very primary skill that is req- expected in the market. So writing calculated calculations for columns and measures. Next is your excellence in Power Query. How well can you write this to transform the data? This is something that is available in Power BI, so we need to aware of that. Next is your SQL knowledge. You know how well you are prepared to write queries with CTs, joins, and window functions. The more you know, the better it is. Okay, SQL is never enough. Okay, the more you know, the better it is. Next is your ETL and data loading process. Like say, you should be aware of a star and a snowflake schema. That is something that is expected. Your relationships and hierarchies, these are something that you need to prepare. Okay, so please ignore the typos. Next one is, like I said, performance optimization, reducing the load time of the dashboard, reducing the load time of the dashboard. This will be required because, like I said earlier, we will be working on improving the performance of the dashboard. So these are the skills that are expected. Now, apart from this, you can also improve some of the soft skills like storytelling with your data, communication and problem solving. All of those come under soft skills, right? Soft skills are your communication. Okay, so prepare on these lines if at all you are aspiring uh, to become a Tableau developer in 2025. So first, this is skills we need to aspire, and then we can proceed further. Next is, what are the certifications we can look in to add weightage? Okay, certifications that are expected. Oh, okay, what is the first certification? Okay, Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst. So this is a beginner level certification, and this is highly recommended if you want to add weightage to your profile. Okay, Power BI data analyst. Next is, if you're looking for any certifications related to cloud based, then you can write Azure data fundamentals, and then we have Azure data enterprise data analyst associate. This is for advanced users, but for beginner, maybe you can first certification you can consider. Obviously, along with this, if you add a Tableau, it will add weightage to your. Okay, so these are the certifications that we can look for to add some more points and stay ahead from others. Now, how can we build, uh, you know, our profile in the social media? Like I said, we need to showcase our skills. So in 2025, it is, we can say line, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. No, if you know that line, it is same like that. Okay, if we are not showing that whatever we have built, then chances are, recruiter might not be able to find us even though we are strong. So first is creating dashboards and publishing them. to Power BI, place, so that anyone who is looking, we can share them. So you can create few dashboards, like create 3 to 5 dashboards. So the same approach, like I said, for Tableau, you should follow for uh, Power BI also. So create dashboard. So what you can do is you can take the same data set, create it in Tableau and create it in Power BI. That way you will excel in both. Okay. So dashboards, like I said, can be related to your sales performance, or your HR analytics dashboard, financial analysis, customer segment, or supply chain. Different dashboards from different domains. So you can pick at least 2 to 3 from this. Okay. Sales performance or HR analytics. If you need data sets related to this, do message me or email me. I can share the data sets and KPI metrics related to that. Okay. So how to make your next is how to make your portfolio or the report that you have created stand out. So create or uh, explain your dashboard clearly, explain your dashboard or explain your project clearly. Show what interactivity on the dashboard, like creating slices and all, or your filters, your drill down and buttons. These are important for them to navigate. Next is publish it on the Power BI service and also on LinkedIn, and tag recruiters. This will help you to get noticed. Okay, this would be one of the best way. Now, where can we also, once you do that, don't forget to share it across multiple platforms so that your dashboard can get you know views. Recruiters might find it interactive. If they find that you have created a good dashboard, they might reach out if there are any openings in future. Okay. So now, where to apply for Power BI jobs? Obviously, LinkedIn, your first go-to site. Next would be Indeed, and then Glassdoor. You can check company's profile, and then you can visit company site directly and apply from there. And then we have Naukri. You can also go to that. Okay, so these are the some of the sites where you can go and upload. Okay, so to improve the network, you can join what you call Power BI user group or Tableau user group, your community related to that, and then increase your network. So these are the important things that I wanted to share with you guys. If at all you want to get job in 2025, follow these steps. This will definitely help you. That's it from my side in this video. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to mention your comments. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.